Hey everyone, let's dive into some exciting news from the stock market. On April 9, 2025, the stock market experienced a historic rally, and it's all thanks to President Trump announcing a 90-day pause on some reciprocal tariffs. This move has truly shaken things up. First off, let's talk numbers. The S&P 500 surged an astonishing 9.52%, closing at 5,456.90. That's its biggest one-day gain since 2008. The Dow Jones Industrial Average wasn't far behind, climbing 2,962.86 points, or 7.87%, closing at 40,608.45. And the Nasdaq Composite? It soared 12.16%, its second-best day ever, and the biggest gain since January 2001, wrapping up at 17,124.97. Incredible, right? Now let's talk about the reason behind this rally. President Trump stated that the pause was needed because people were getting yippy and afraid. He also hinted that China and other countries are willing to negotiate a trade deal. The 90-day pause applies to the reciprocal tariffs announced last week, but existing 25% tariffs on Mexico and Canada under the USMCA remain unchanged. China, however, is still facing a hefty 125% tariff. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent emphasized that the U.S. will negotiate in good faith with its allies and described the 10% tariff as a temporary floor. The impact of this announcement wasn't just felt in the stock market. U.S. crude oil rallied over 4%, closing at $62.35 per barrel. Bitcoin surged 7% to $82,522. Gold continued its climb, advancing 3.2% to $3,079.15. Even the cruise stock saw a boost, with Carnival on track for its best day since 2020. In contrast, Walmart stock popped nearly 11%, while Bristol-Myers Squibb bucked the trend, sliding about 0.4%. Expectations for Fed rate cuts have diminished, and the VIX, a measure of market volatility, plunged 15 points to 37.2. All in all, a remarkable day for the markets. Keep an eye out for more updates and stay informed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.